Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check out some displacement animation in After Effects. These are some tests and discoveries, and just wanted to share with you. Okay, first step, we're going to go to New Composition, click. I'm going to rename it as text. I'm going to go 1080 by 1080. Click OK. I'm going to select here the type tool, click. I'm going to type in Panther. Gonna press and hold Control and double click on the pen behind so the anchor point goes into the center. I'm gonna center it with this. Press the letter S and scale it here down. From here, I'm gonna create a new composition. Right click, New Composition. I'm gonna rename it as Displacement. There you go. Click OK. Drag in the text. And of course, now we're going to need to drag in some textures. So I'm going to check out my folder, and as you can see here, we got some multiple textures going on. Download it from unsplash.com. They got some really cool textures going on there, so we're going to drag in some of those. I'm going to try it with these dots. I'm just going to drag and drop here. And I'm also going to select this wrapped paper. So I'm going to just drag and drop the wrapped paper, the composition. Going to scale it down. It's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna uncheck it, we don't need it. Click on the text here. Type into the effects and presets displacement. We got here displacement map. Drag and drop the displacement map on the text. And from here we gonna select, we got center wrap. I'm gonna change it to stretch map to fit. And I'm gonna change here the text to Jasmine. So basically this is the texture, and here we got the max horizontal displacement and the max vertical displacement. Right now it's on 5. So if I'm gonna increase it, check it out, it's gonna distort it horizontally at least. We got like max vertical displacement, it's gonna distort it vertically. Okay, I'm gonna go and click on 0, type in 0 here, and to the max vertical also. And from here I'm gonna also drag this up. Click here on this arrow, go to the effects, go to the displacement map, and here we got the same options here as here. Okay, from here, make sure that you're here and select, click on the stopwatch on max horizontal displacement, and click on the stopwatch also on the vertical displacement. Right now we're on the 0. I'm just gonna drag this to 1 to the first second, and I'm gonna start distorting it, you know, a little bit horizontally, more vertically. I'm gonna go to the second and change, you know, the displacements. There you go. Third second. Look how interesting it looks. So I'm gonna select all the keyframes, these little diamonds. I'm gonna right click on one of the diamonds, go to keyframe assist and select easy ease. So now we're gonna check it out. How is the animation? So we got the, you know, displacement animation, and from here we can add, you know, other textures as well. So I'm gonna go here, where's the, you know, displacement map. I'm gonna go up, where's the project, and I also have another texture. This is the dynamic Wong. These little dots, I'm gonna drag and drop here above, and I'm gonna uncheck it, and I'm gonna click on the text which we made, go back here to the effects controller, and I'm gonna change it to this dynamic Wong, you know, the new texture. Let's check this out. So it's pretty easy to change, you know, the texture. You just swap it, you know, just drag and drop a new texture, and it's gonna make the magic. And you also can change, you know, the animation however you like. It's pretty flexible. So far, this is it. And thanks for watching. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.